Hello friends, welcome to the new video. Today, we will learn about the interesting facts about chemistry. Chemistry is a field of science that studies chemical elements and molecules and how they interact. It is the study of the materials that make up our body and everything in the world around us. It also contains the changes that these compounds go through. Sometimes chemistry is regarded as core science. It is an essential component of other major sciences. It is a very interesting science. A chemist is someone who studies or specializes in this field of study. Fact number 1. You can die from drinking too much water. To kick off our list of interesting and fun chemistry facts, we have a rather terrifying thought: dying from drinking too much water. You would have to consume a high volume of liquid, upwards of 4 liters in an hour or so to begin to experience symptoms. Despite this, for most of us, this is something we do not need to worry about. Nonetheless, it is a fun fact. Well, at least we think it is. Fact number 2. Cooking. When you cook, various chemical reactions occur. For instance, the Maillard reaction gives browned color and distinct flavor to cooked food. Combustion reactions provide heat for cooking, and fermentation in baking produces carbon dioxide, making the dough rise. Fact number 3. Radioactive and nuclear elements actually glow in the dark. That's right. It's not just a thing from The Simpsons. Radioactive elements actually glow in the dark. While we hope you don't find yourself face to face with radioactive elements, unless this is your job, it is good to know. And another fun chemistry fact. Oh, and maybe don't go too close or you'll end up with 3 eyes. Also, just kidding. Kinda. Fact number 4. Cleaning. Household cleaning products often rely on chemical reactions to break down stains or disinfect surfaces. For example, the acidity of vinegar can dissolve mineral deposits, and the alkalinity of baking soda can neutralize acids. Fact number 5. Materials. Many items in our homes are made of specific materials with unique chemical properties. Plastics, for instance, are polymers, and their properties are determined by the arrangement of their chemical building blocks. Fabrics, such as cotton or polyester, have distinct chemical compositions affecting their durability and comfort. Fact number 6. Water treatment. Water purification systems use chemical processes to ensure the water we use at home is safe. Chlorination, for instance, involves adding chlorine to water to disinfect it by killing bacteria and other harmful microorganisms. Fact number 7. Glass is not a solid, glass is a liquid. A fun chemistry fact that may shock you is that glass is not solid. It is in fact a liquid. That's right. However, as the glass molecules flow very slowly, this means they will not shatter or change shape. Often, this state is known as being amorphous, somewhere between the two, a solid and a liquid. Thank you friends for watching this video. This is done for today. If you enjoyed the video, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.